Control number 42472, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Lordian Ciselga, 41 years old, married. I have one son. I have one brother, one sister. I am the eldest of the family. I am a high school graduate in Kabambanan National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go in Hong Kong because I want to support my family and to give my sons a good education in future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, in Saudi Arabia for 2 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
I give them take a bath, change clothes and diapers.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am a hardworking, loyal, and trustworthy.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
like sambusa, kabsa, and biryani. In Saudi Arabian salt dishes.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I ask, apologize, and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like their family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Sir, madam, if you've been chosen me as your domestic helper, I promise you to be a good employer, to do my responsibilities, and to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you.